Ah, 9/8, a time signature I never want to play in. But it feels wrong not to do a video talking about 9/8 grooves. So here are 3 9/8 grooves from beginner to slightly more advanced, because I can't count after a certain point and it scares me. At least 9/8 is socially acceptable. 15, 16 can just burn, quite frankly. I do kid. 9/8 means 9 eighth notes per bar, which kind of makes sense if you break it up into 3 groups of 3. That can work. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But you can come up with all sorts of weird and funky combinations. So here's the first one. Groove 1. Yes, I will read notation for this. Chris, I am sorry. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't even know if the last one was right. On paper, this isn't that complicated. And if you want to see the proper drum notation, feel free to check out the free ebook that has all the grooves we're going to be covering in this video, plus some variations. Exciting, I know. Check that out in the description. It's probably easier if I explain this as a group of 8 instead of 9, because really it's just an eighth note groove. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Doesn't that just groove? That just feels so much better than 9/8. Can you tell I'm somewhat anti 9/8? I apologise if you're a 9/8 enthusiast, but why? I'm going to count this as numbers instead of saying 1 and 2 and, because we're in 9/8, so it's technically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Still with me? Good. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 3 have a bass drum, 4 has a snare drum. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second half, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hi-hat, bass, bass, snare. Stick those together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we just add a spare hi-hat on the end and you've got 9, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, maybe it is growing on me. But either way, there is groove 1 for you. Move on to the ride cymbal if you want to get adventurous. Again, I think that was right. Jeez. Moving on, groove 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, maybe 9/8 is growing on me because these are funky fresh and I kind of like them. Don't tell anybody. Again, we're dealing with eighth notes, but we're counting them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to keep things simple. Hint, hint, this might change in the next groove. Just got to keep you interested. Raise your eyebrows even higher. Chris, again, I'm sorry. I've got to read this. My brain is melting. I'm a drummer. I can only really count to 4. What do we got? We've got a bass drum on 1 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Snare drum on 6. 5, 6. Bass drum on 8. 7, 8. Extra hi-hat with a snare drum. Because we're varying it up, clearly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Take that as slow as you need to get it right and count out loud at the same time. You're going to need to count out loud. And as you get faster, I do highly recommend that you have a metronome, if possible with a voice that can yell the numbers at you. As obnoxious as it may sound, it does help because it will show you just how often you go out of 9. Last detail is the open hi-hat on 2, and that's kind of it. It just closes with the next eighth note, which is technically chord 3. Yes. 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. That one definitely starts to feel a lot better once you start grooving with it. And if you want to get really adventurous, you could probably chuck in like a ride pattern between the bell and the ride cymbal. Let me know how you get on with that. I'd love it if you guys tagged me in a video of you playing that so I don't have to, quite frankly. Groove 3. Let's do it. 7, 8, 9. That one's a lot of fun. We've got some cool technical things going on in here too, so let's get into it. First half is pretty plain sailing, and what I mean by first half is the first two groups of 16th notes. And we're going to be doing hand-to-hand 16th notes. So, 1 E and a, 2 E and a. I'd put a nice rim short / accent on that snare drum just because it really brings it out a little bit more. 1 E and a, 2 E and a. Remembering that the bass drum will fall with the first right, and then that last left of that first group of 16th notes. 1 E and a, 2 E and a. This third little cluster up here, right, left, right, left. So we're just putting a little double in the space of one normal F. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Let's chuck it together with the rest of what we've already got. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 da 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 da. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 da 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 da. Right, left, right, right. 1 E and a, 2 E and a, right, left, right, left. 2 E and a, right, left, left. Now, let's tackle this last section all by itself, and then we'll combine the two because I think of them as their own separate entity. So again, because we're hand to hand 16th notes, we end up with this. So you can either approach this two ways. You can either go for just the hands first, right, left, right, left. So you end up with an accent on the left first, 1 E and a 2 E. Or you could go 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. Don't forget that last hi-hat. 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. Now just add the bass drums. Take it as slow as you need to again, so you can just get the mechanics down, so everything's falling in the right place, then worry about speed. And again, might be a bit easier with the real drum notation. Again, free ebook with all of that good stuff in the description. Right, let's stick it all together and pray we come out the other side sane. 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Listen, Chris, we've talked this through already. I need the notation on this. I'm sorry. I promise the logo will be back up next video, or maybe it won't be. It depends what the video's on. Soz. But yes, there we have it. I think we've made it to the other side, just about. Once you get it up to speed, this does sound pretty damn cool. God knows what you'd write to it, but I really like it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whew. Still with me? Good. Fantastic. So there you have it. 3 grooves in 9/8. If you enjoyed this video, then we have a whole playlist dedicated to 3 groove videos, and I'm also going to be putting out some 3 fill videos as well. So you're kind of sorted for what to practice, and if you want to get into funky time signatures, this might be the good place to start. Maybe not in 9/8. Can you tell I'm not a fan of 9/8? Am I going to do a video for fills in 9/8? Do you want a video for fills in 9/8? Because the answer is probably yes. If the answer is yes, please let me know in the comments, because I'm going to need some coaxing into that one. Either way, have a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Big love.